Hey guys, it's Kiley Awesome160 here, and today I'm going to be teaching you how to make chocolate crescent rolls. Let's go. First, you preheat the oven to whatever your package of crescent dough says to preheat it to. Next, you roll out your crescent dough. If you can find the end, you just make sure it's divided into triangles like this. Now you take 2 pieces of chocolate about this size and put them on a crescent in the thicker end, like this. Now you take it and try to, from the fat end, roll it around. Like fold it, fold it, fold it. Now see, the sides are open like that. You want to close them. You want to pinch them closed. Now you're going to do that to the rest of your crescent rolls. Once your crescents are arranged nicely on a tray, you're going to put them in the oven for the amount of time your dough says. 1 amount of cooking time later. This is what a single crescent should look like. And this is what a whole plate of them looks like. Look how they're nice and like brown, like squishy a little bit, but they're a little hard. Alright, so this is what the inside of a crescent should look like. It sounds nice and melting with chocolate in it. So it's basically the dough and chocolate. It's really tasty. I hope you want to try making these at home. But before we leave, in the description box, I'm going to put the things I used and a more detailed recipe going with the things that I used. And in the video, I tried to make it more generic because you might not be using the same brand as I am. But I'm going to put detailed instructions following the brand I use. Sounds a little confusing, but if you look in the description box, you'll see what I mean. Bye, everybody.